Okay guys, so today installing a dual battery setup on midnight. This is a 6-liter truck of V8 gas, so it only came with one battery. So you will have to get a battery tray, which I've already got a battery tray. I got a cheap knockoff from eBay. I think it was like 20 some bucks, and it's gonna go exactly where the diesel battery goes. The second battery for the Duramax goes back there. You will be replacing this bracket that the gas motors have, or any truck with single batteries will have this brace that doesn't hold a battery. You're replacing that, so you're taking that off. I've got this one installed already. Not too difficult of a job. There's a bolt there, actually a nut and a stud. Nut there, and a nut down there. There's 4 bolts on the firewall, or nuts, and those are studs. You got another bolt right here. And then you're gonna have to take this nut off this stud that holds the coolant tank. And then there's another bolt on the front side. Kind of difficult. It's easier to take apart if you take your air box off. I didn't take my air box off and I was able to get to it. I used a 10mm ratchet to get in there. It's a super long bolt. I don't know why it's so long, but it's really hard to get out of there. Easier to do by removing the air box. Anyway, once you get this unbolted, there's a little snap thing that snaps onto the fender here. That's got to be kind of popped off, and then this will be loose enough to raise it up. Then you're going to have to kind of wiggle this bracket into place. It's got to go around your AC line there. And you got to raise up your coolant at the same time. You got to get it in there. I had to enlarge this hole to be able to get the bolt to go in. Not a big deal. Actually fits pretty good for a China part. Cheap China part anyway. So I got everything tightened down. This is actually ready for a battery. There is a brace that goes up here. It should work with the battery in place too. I have, I think, top post batteries. I hope it don't hit, but I guess we'll find out. So I got my yellow top Optima installed, and it does fit okay. Only problem is that this brace that originally went here, it won't fit anymore. I don't know if that's because this battery is so much bigger, or maybe the diesel brace is different than the gas one. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. The mount fits okay. You can see it don't completely sit on the battery, but it's secure. It's not going to go nowhere. So I'm real happy with how that come out. Fits under the hood, which is the main deal. Now I got to put my other yellow top in where the original battery goes, and we got to connect them. Okay, so I got my second battery in place, and I have connected the 2 batteries. You can see it's I got wires going to it. It's negative to negative, positive to positive. That's how you hook up a battery. That will give you 2 12-volt batteries. You don't want to hook it up any other way, because you'll turn it into 24 volts or whatever, and you'll fry your system. So negative to negative, positive to positive gives you 2 12-volt batteries. Just got my wires right here for now up there. I got a broken deal. I got to fix that. So maybe I'll figure out a tie down there, and then it just goes around and connects the other battery. So that's how I do 2 batteries. Remember, when you're hooking up 2 batteries, you want 2 batteries that are the same size, and you want 2 batteries that are the same age batteries. You don't want a really old one mixed in there, because it can it'll draw down the other one, and it's not a good situation. You want 2 of the same battery, same age, same size. So I got these for Project Frankenstein. Bought them at the same time. They're really expensive, like $500 or something for these 2 batteries. And also the wiring is from Frankenstein too. So actually I had that wiring, but anyway, I got the dual batteries on this thing, so I think you guys know what's coming up next. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it.